Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Coinomi wallet app on PC. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you wish to log out of your Coinomi wallet application on your PC, then the process is quite simple. Before logging out of your wallet, first make sure that you have backed up the recovery phrases so that you can get back to your wallet whenever you need to log in back again. In order to find your backup phrases, if you've not backed it up yet, go and click on the settings button at the bottom left. Now click on Manage Wallet. Click on the default wallet button in the pop-up and click on the backup button. Now on the next page, you'll be revealing your recovery phrases. Make sure that no one is looking on the screen right now, since if anyone knows your seed phrases, you'll lose funds from your account. After you are ready to reveal your recovery phrases, click on I understand the risk and now enter the password for your Coinomi wallet. Click Unlock and your recovery phrase along with a QR code will be displayed on the screen. Simply write down your recovery phrases in a piece of paper and store it somewhere else safe. After you back up your phrases, you can simply log out of your wallet. From the settings page, click on Manage Wallet, click the default wallet button and click on Delete. Click the Confirm button in order to log out of your wallet. Now, if you ever want to get back to your wallet, you'll need to type in your recovery phrases in the correct order and you'll be able to get back to your wallet again. That was how you can easily log out of Coinomi wallet on PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.